In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep your computer safe from hackers. Whether you're working from home, gaming, or just browsing online, protecting your system is more crucial than ever. So, let's dive into some essential tips to secure your digital life. First up, keeping everything updated. And when I say everything, I mean your operating system, your browser, your antivirus, and all your apps. Hackers are constantly on the lookout for outdated software with security vulnerabilities. Those update notifications can be a bit annoying, but remember, they're there for a reason. They often patch serious security holes. So next time you see an update notification on your screen, don't ignore it. Go ahead, click that update button, restart your computer if necessary, and keep your system shielded from potential threats. Next, let's talk about the strength of your passwords. If your current passwords are simple or easily guessed, like 123,456, or just password, you're essentially leaving the door wide open for hackers. It's crucial to create strong, complex passwords. Use a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, include numbers, and throw in some special characters for good measure. Also, it's best not to use the same password across multiple accounts. To keep track of them all, consider using a password manager, which safely stores and organizes your passwords. Don't forget to enable two-factor authentication wherever possible. This extra layer of security means that even if someone does get their hands on your password, they'll still need another verification code that only you can provide. Now, be cautious about what you click. Phishing scams are rampant, and they often try to trick you through emails or messages, saying things like your account has been locked and directing you to click a link to resolve the issue. Before you click on anything, take a moment. Check the sender's email address. Hover over any links to see where they really lead. And never download attachments from unfamiliar sources. When in doubt, go directly to the official website by typing the address yourself. Let's move on to antivirus software and firewalls. Even if you think you're being careful, malware can still sneak in. A reliable antivirus program scans your system for threats and removes them before they cause any damage. Something like Windows Defender or any trusted antivirus of your choice would work. Just ensure it's always updated. To complement this, keep your firewall enabled. It acts as a barrier, blocking suspicious traffic from entering your system. Regarding your internet connection, particularly when using public Wi-Fi in places like cafes or airports, tread carefully. Public networks are prime targets for hackers to intercept data. Using a VPN, a virtual private network, encrypts your data and ensures your browsing remains private. At home, it's also a good idea to change your default Wi-Fi password and regularly update your router's firmware to stay protected. Lastly, make it a habit to back up your files. Despite all the precautions, mishaps like ransomware, hardware failure, or accidental deletions can happen. Regularly back up your important files to an external drive or cloud storage. This way, even if your computer is compromised, you won't lose valuable data. To sum it all up, keep everything updated, use strong passwords with two-factor authentication, be cautious about clicking links, use antivirus and firewall protection, secure your internet connection, and regularly back up your files. Remember, cybersecurity isn't just for tech experts, it's for everyone. Stay alert, stay updated, and most importantly, stay safe online. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.